What's up, Stock Bros? Today we're going to find out why UAVS is taking a hit today. Stay tuned. Looks like a short seller report is out and it's after a UAVS. And today we're going to delve into why and is any of this possibly true. So the report is calling the company a pump and dump scheme to defraud U.S. investors. Let's just go through each article. Back in January, I was following this Lou Whitman here, and he said, why shares of AgEagle aerial systems are flying high today? The drone maker got a contract, but it isn't the one investors have been excited about. He's referring to the Amazon development, right? People are looking forward to an Amazon partnership back in January. Here, he cautioned the stock was up more than 1,300% in the past year, and today trades are at more than 180 times sales. So here he warns that investors should stay on the sidelines until there is evidence to go along with the talk. And this was back in January. If we look at the actual chart here, let's look at as far back as when that article was written. So he said January 12th, right? And the stock was sitting around almost $8 USD. And it had risen a crazy amount, almost 100% after his article. It took one dip and shot up again until this most recent occurrence. So then he wrote another article. I'm just going to refer to it. Why the stock is falling today. So he said a short seller believes the company is a pump and dump scheme. Traded down as much as 20% on Thursday. So what did the short seller report say? In a report released Thursday, Bonita's research threw cold water on the excitement of the Amazon partnership. The firm, which is short on AgEagle shares, says the Amazon rumor was sparked by a promotional video first uploaded by the daughter of AgEagle founder and former chairman Brett Chilcott. And so basically, they wrote, we have found no evidence of any major e-commerce customer. And they attacked that major point that appears to be keeping the company's stock propped up. So now what? AgEagle representatives did not respond to requests for a comment. Allegations made in short reports often take time to play out, and it is tough to say for sure what is really going on. But there is ample reason for investors to avoid the stock without Bonita's commentary. So this guy was skeptical back in January. This confirms his concern about the company. But we did see it ride quite a bit in the past month or two, right? So you can see here up and down. I think when we did a video on this, it was hovering around 11. And you could have booked a 40% profit if you had sold at the last high. However, those gains are most likely erased now. Okay, so investorplace.com put out 7 things for investors to know as AgEagle Aerial drops on a pump and dump claim or claims. So what are those 7 things? In April 2020, released a statement that it was working with a major e-commerce company. This stoked a ton of speculation that the company was Amazon, right? So some people got excited about that. What else here? Bonita's alleges there's no partnership with Amazon. Additionally, high levels of speculation on Reddit enticed many penny stock investors to jump on board. Bonita has called the inside ownership Furthermore, Bonita has called the insider ownership decline in UAV stock from 44% to 0.5% as indicative. Insiders are pumping their shares. A pump and dump scheme involves driving a stock higher on news or speculation that is false, while insiders subsequently sell their stock en masse. Okay, bottom line, investors need to keep in mind that with many short reports, they're designed to make short sellers a lot of money quickly. Whether or not these allegations hold true to be seen. So for those bullish on the UAV stock, this could be an interesting buying opportunity. However, it does appear some room for doubt has been raised by these allegations. Short sellers are out there trying to make money. Accordingly, their views on the stock like AgEagle, can be overly bearish. Thus, these reports should be taken with a grain of salt by investors. However, when short sellers are right, significant downside can persist for quite some time. So what I did was now go to their website to see if they had posted anything. Nothing yet, except for this event that they are going to hold on March 4th. But nothing on this recent allegation. I'm sure they're, going through the report and they're going to rebut each point if they can, right? So let's go over to their social media. I went over to their last post, and a lot of people are asking, "Are you going to put out any news out here claimed by this pump and dump?" Some people are waiting still. They're all just saying hello, what's going on? And then this enthusiastic person said, $300, here we come, especially if the year-long Amazon rumors are come true, right? Over here, there is support from their partners, CEO right here. So let's see what this says. Okay, I saw the news today as well, and frankly, I'm quite surprised. Like everyone else, the report does not reflect anything I've seen or experienced while we have partnered with them. They have been a phenomenal team and always show the top tier of professionalism and the industry knowledge. There are the same short sellers, SS, that just received a huge judgment against them for market manipulation for, again, publishing reports with highly inaccurate and misrepresented claims, and then refused to pay the judgment. Right? Okay, so he doesn't buy into these allegations. So it's strictly, in my opinion, this is the co-founder CEO of Valkyrie, partner of this company, I suppose. Is strictly, in my opinion, that this group of SS find the weakest or newest stock on the top 10 hottest list and use flimsy evidence to poke holes. They only need it for moments while they trade. This group of short sellers have a reputation for using ethically questionable tactics, in my opinion. Not to mention, literally last week, AgEagle had demonstrated that they have excellent drone technology in our joint golf course demo. Okay, so this guy is backing up his partners here. It's very nice of him. We just need the company itself to come out and refute these claims. So we're going to look forward to that. So trying to find all the information we can, I came across this one post. People have known there was no partnership with Amazon for months now. The reason people were invested more is because, one, drones are the future. Two, more than a hardware company, they're a software company. Three, they signed a pretty large contract with Iowa. And four, solid M&A recently. Seems like a lot of people liked that comment on their forum board on Yahoo, but I guess some people have known there's no partnership, but there is that point that, they leverage that Amazon may have partnered with them, and that's why this stock is falling so, hard. And I mean, if you do believe that, you did lose money, I guess you should reach out to these people. It's really up to you. They have that information everywhere now. I'm sure you're aware of this company called Ehang Holding Limited. They were recently also a victim of a short attack by one of the companies who published this recent short attack on AgEagle. So against Ehang, which is also an autonomous aerial vehicle company. I mean, not the same line of business, but related to air vehicle technology. Ehang was their shares plunged on fraud claims as well recently. So this stock was flying high at 123 and crashed 60%, over 63% on February 16th. So when they opened the next day, though, they had rebounded almost 66%. So you could see that, there was an overreaction. So a lot of people did sell off, and the company is now trying to, I guess, fend off these rumors and stabilize their stock price. So could we expect the same thing from UAVS in the morning? Perhaps. It's good to see that their partners back them up in the social media space, but definitely looking forward to what the company has to say about what's going on. And they do have a social media, so if you guys want to go ahead and spam them for spam them for answers, feel free to. So that wraps up the video. Hopefully our drone technology friend here makes it out alive and continues to thrive. All right, everybody, you know what to do. Just like, subscribe, share. Take care. Peace out.